So today we watched the TV, and Ethan, what were we watching the TV for?
Commercials.
And what commercials? You put them into categories. Can you explain the categories?
Yeah. We have boy up here,
Mm-hmm.
and then we have girl up here,
Mm-hmm.
and then we have both and different.
Okay. And so what commercials did you put in boy? What kinds of commercials?
There was some video game ones that we put in, so that's like one of them.
Okay. What about a girl commercial?
Girls, I could actually tell by like the looking and difference of it.
And what was looking indifferent about it?
Well, they were like talking about babies, and they were talking about like clothes and stuff.
Okay. What kind of commercials went into both?
There was some food commercials and like pizzas and stuff and that.
Okay. And what went into neither boys or girls?
There was some that I really couldn't really explain.
Okay. So, Ethan, how many total commercials did we watch?
20.
Okay, can you tell me which had the most category? Which category had the most?
Both.
Both? Okay. How many were in that category?
There is six altogether.
You want to count that again? How many are there altogether?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then, and also you see that I made lines and stuff writing the numbers because the lines are either easier for math to do.
Good. Good. So now let's compare. Which one had the smallest?
Neither, because there was not that much I couldn't explain.
Okay.
Because they were kind of a little bit easy to like explain. For like boys was like video games and like that.
Okay. Good. So, Ethan, the last thing I want you to do is you just started talking to me about fractions. What do you know about fractions?
Like you can double them.
Okay.
Like this.
2 over 4.
2 out of 4.
Okay.
And then you could write the answer over here.
Okay.
And then you could write what you were talking about in the story problem.
Okay. So in our story problem, we have 20 commercials. What's the fraction of girls to the total commercials?
Well, the fraction of girls is probably about if there's 5 of them.
Yeah.
It would probably be like 5 out of 20.
Very good.
15 out of 20.
Okay.
Like
which one is it?
5 out of 20.
Okay.
So,
And what did you say, 15 out of 20? What's that?
15 out of 20 isn't really the answer.
Okay.
Because it's just wrong.
Okay. Which would have the biggest fraction? Boys, girls, both, or neither?
Both.
Okay. Because
it was definitely had the most altogether.
so that also means it has the biggest fraction?
So, like, it's probably about if there are 6 of them,
Mm-hmm.
it would be 6 out of 20, and it would be the closest to 20.
All right. Very good. Anything else you want to say about boy and girl commercials?
Well, sometimes it's not just boys and girls commercials.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes there can be like both, and like there's not that much boys and girl things.
Okay, so you think in general there's a lot of things that are for both boys and girls?
There can be some like sometimes boys might like purple or pink,
Okay.
and girls might like black or blue.
Okay. So that's okay?
Yeah, it's okay to have not, but my teacher always says there's no boys and girls there.